Question: the country with the most computers in the world is answer United States of America. Next question: the code of a web page is written using answer hypertext markup language. Next question: the primary purpose of software is to convert data into answer information. Next question: which statement is true about virtual memory? Answer: virtual memory is the space on the hard drive where the operating system initiates the data store when the memory is out of bounds. Next question: the program used to fix software bugs is called answer page. Next question: what is which is the best definition of software package? Answer: it is a set of computer programs used for a specified tasks such as word processing. Next question: who invented the microprocessor? Answer: Intel. Next question: to edit a document, read it after creating it and then mistakes have to be corrected. Question: what is called a backup? Answer: by copying the data separately from the original source and keeping it safe. Next question: how to prevent a mailed Word document from always being opened in reading layout? Answer: from view menu, reading layout, journal tab, allow starting in reading layout. Next question: data is recorded on rings called floppy disks. Answer: tracks. Next question: two and more computers connected to each other to share information dash is formed. Answer: network. Next question: what is the meaning of computer literacy? Answer: to know about the working capacity of the computer. Next question: which is not the famous operating system in this? Answer: MS-OS. Question: what is floppy disk used for? Answer: to store information. Next question: what do you do to make a chart? Answer: chart wizard. Next question: the set of instructions which tell the computer what to do is called answer program. Next question: dash you cannot link Excel worksheet data with Word document. Answer: right drag method. Next question: the term bit is a short form of answer binary digit. Next question: what is the meaning of data processing? Answer: getting information for use. Next question: what is IBM? Answer: a company. Next question: which of the following are true? Answer: 8-digit binary number is called byte. Question: ECS stands for a banking transactions. Answer: electronic clearing service. Next question: what can be done from the internet? Answer: electronic mail can be sent and a web page can be viewed or can be connected to servers around the world. Next question: dash is the process of translating what the user want to be executed by the computer into instructions. Answer: it is called programming. Next question: how can the user determine which program is available on the computer? Answer: seeing the list of programs during booting. Next question: current generation computers are used. Answer: ULSIC. Next question: you can start Microsoft Word by using the dash button. Answer: start button. Next question: which of the following are small single site networks? Answer: LAN.